People tonight at Eastern Mennonite High School. We're also giving away free tickets on our Facebook page, WHSV TV3D. And they're right now. Take it away, guys.
Someone once told me history's always repeating. Deep down I can't believe that's true. 'Cause I'm still young, I'm dreaming and I'm learning, and I'm hoping, I can't stop hoping.
Sometimes the faces overtake me, emotions follow me like rain. Rain, rain, rain. You can't stop time or hold back the tide, and you can't move a mountain. Can anybody ever stop the pain? Yeah, yeah. Whoa, what can I do?
Oh, I'm just one person, one person. Whoa, what can I do? Yeah,
I'm just one person. Say